My flag was always tangled and looked embarrassing hanging there. I snapped these on in about 30 seconds and it's flown clean ever since. They snap on in seconds, no tools needed. You got the magnets that hold through high winds without slipping. 360-degree silicone coating grips any flag fabric. Each pair of weights is 0.2 pounds, heavy enough to work without weighing the flag down. It really works on any flag, 3x5, 2.5x4, and 4x6 flags right out of the box. Rust resistant and built to stay outside year round. Color match the US flag red, so it blends right in as well. Includes a US keychain as a bonus that you're probably not expecting when you open it as well. So if you have that embarrassing tangled flag, your flag wraps around that pool and looks bad every time, constant damage that it caused to get that wear and tear for it, definitely give these a try. It's simple snap-on installation. You basically take them apart, you place one behind the fabric onto the other ones, and then line to the other half in front. Like I said, it takes 30 seconds. The white separator is included as well, a dome-shaped structure, and it ensures the magnets align correctly. Like I said, it's going to work for multiple different flags as well, so whatever flag you have, definitely give these a try. Like I say, they've been awesome for me. Makes it so I don't have to worry about that flag. So go give these a try. You're going to be really happy about them like I am, and definitely worth the buy.